Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And a very good day I bid to the organizers, the respected educators, and also fellow viewers. Today, my friend and I will present to you our innovation idea entitled Norafiqa, Answering Your Doubt for Better Insight. So ladies and gentlemen, currently the science and technology has evolved globally, that includes dental field. So in dentistry, the sources of materials used as well as the mode of treatments that has been given to patient is gradually being modified to suit the needs of the people. And from Islamic point of view, Islam accepts the development of technology as long as it is in accordance to Islamic jurisprudence, as the main purpose is to maintain and restore the oral function and also to prevent the occurrence of oral diseases. However, this evolving technology has led to many issues related to Sharia, especially towards the Muslim. And for instance, there is very high demands of aesthetic dentistry, and it is just mainly for improvement of dental appearance instead of the functional need. So, in previous study, it is recommended that there should be a Sharia guideline for the dentists to conduct their practice. And recently there are a lot of books that has already been published. However, are they really sufficient and accessible to everyone? So here, ladies and gentlemen, we introduce to you our innovation idea, which is Norafiqa mobile phone application. And this mobile phone application, the tagline is answering your doubt for better insight, which means that this application will facilitate the users to understand more about the issues that they are not sure about. Actually, Norafiqa is the first mobile phone application that is developed to help and convince the users, especially the dental practitioners and also the patients, to decide on the dental treatments without going against the Islamic jurisprudence. And it is easily accessible and explain about dental fix in two ways communication, as it has the validated discussion and also it has opinions from the experts and also scholars regarding the dental issue. And what's so special about our innovation idea is that it is available in both English and also Malay version. Thus, it is believed that it will help the Muslim worldwide to have better oral health without compromising the Sharia law in Islam. So the program statement is how can the knowledge on dental fiqh be disseminated and also accessible to the public, specifically the dental patients and also the practitioners. So, as far as we are concerned, we know that there are several books that has been introduced and also has been established in the market, which discuss about the dental fiqh. However, in understanding the Maqasid Sharia about the Islamic jurisprudence, it really needs a precise understanding and it needs two-way communication for the people to really understand about the hukum of the treatment that they are going to receive. Thus, we came out with the idea of mobile phone application because we think that we can introduce the two-way communication technique in this mobile phone application. So moving to the cost estimation of Norafiqa mobile application, it will involve in two processes, which is the first one, application production, which involve the design and also the market testing. And this stage will cost about 1,000 ringgit to 3,000 ringgit. And for the second stage, which is the application establishment, which means to make the application to be available for the users to download and use the apps. And this one will cost about 3,000 to 5,000 ringgit. So in total, for the production of this Norafiqa application, it will cost about 4,000 ringgit to 8,000 ringgit. So ladies and gentlemen, now let's take a look to the features of Norafiqa mobile phone application. So generally, this application will be available for both iOS and also Android users. And it can be downloaded through the Google Play Store for Android users And for iOS users, you can use App Store to get the application. This application will use both English and also Malay language. And for the user interface, it will consist of 5 pages. So the first page is the home page, whereby the users can use this page to sign up and also to log in to the apps. And the second page is a FIQ page. This is actually the page that contains the collection of dental FIQ answer, and the users can search the FIQ regarding any issues or matters of their interest by using the keywords. And not only that, they can also write their questions, and they will see the answers of their question at the next page, which is the frequently asked question page. And on this page, the users can also view the questions by the other users. The question and answer and also the discussion will be displayed on this page. So next is the references page, whereby on this page the users will be able to view the list of references that we use. For example, the books, the journals, and also the research papers. And last but not least is the events page. On the events page, we will provide the users the updated information regarding any dental events, regardless it is online or offline, so that the users who are interested can participate in that events.
So next is the operational method of innovation idea. For Denfit, we came out with 7 steps of operational method. The first step is an app idea. The aim of developing this app is to provide user with dental-related fake issues. The target user will be among Muslim patients and dentists. The second step is to turn the idea real with a prototype. We will develop an app prototype after identifying the features of the app and what consumers can benefit from the app. We will turn the idea into an application with some basic functionality. The prototype will help in attracting the investor, working with manufacturers, and finding licenses. The third one, we will identify the tester, where we will get feedback from our target customers, which are among Muslim dentists and patients, through beta testing. Step 4 is to register under Intellectual Property Corporation of Malaysia before launching the app in the App Store. This is done to ensure the legal ownership and to prevent others from infringing and profiting from our work. We will begin with protection of the name, logo, and slogan through trademark law. Step number 5 is to release the apps once the app is fully protected and all the components in the app are well functioned. Step number 6 is to create awareness among dentists and patients through social media. We will use social media as one of the platforms to gain interest from our target customers. We will update and promote on our social media regarding of what our app has offered to the market. Last step, we will upgrade the app with improvements and new features. This will make sure that to enhance its visibility along the downloads of an app and ensuring its usability in a long run. For the impact of innovation idea, we believe that Denfit can impact towards Ummah and dentistry as it disseminates the most precise information among practitioners and patients regarding dental treatment in Islam. Denfit also very convenient because they are quick and easy to read. They can also be very useful when you are in a place where you don't have access to a book or computer. Not only that, Denfit also free to install. Just simply download Denfit apps in Google Play Store or App Store to your phone and take it with wherever you go. Next is suggestion for improvement of our innovation idea. As language has become one such important key to growth, thus for the improvement, we would like to suggest this app to be in a multi-language apps in order to cater a wider audience around the world. Denfit can represent a global apps to target a wider and higher market. Implementation of multi-languages such as Arabic, Spanish, Telugu, Hindi, and Japanese make it more useful. Now, I would like to share the achievement of our innovation idea. An online survey has been done towards the population regarding the idea of publishing these Denfit apps. We are able to gain 198 respondents in 2 days of survey. In the survey, we are explaining the mechanism of the apps in pictures and share the purpose of the apps towards them. We are asking an open question to get their honest opinion on the idea of this app. From the survey, most of the respondents say that the idea is good and very beneficial as they can gain more knowledge on the dental fit issues. Some also said that the idea is user-friendly as it is easily accessed everywhere and following the current trend. From the online survey done, we found that all the respondents agreed that the idea of Denfit app should be continued and developed in the future. In conclusion, the idea of developing these Denfit apps is believed to facilitate the Muslims, dentists and patients to learn about the knowledge on fit-related dental issues in easier way. This app is user-friendly and has comprehensive explanation on dental issues. As it uses two-way communication, it makes the learning process become better. Last but not least, it comes in both English and Malay version, thus can be used globally. This is the list of our references that we used for our presentation today. That's all from us. Thank you for watching and listening to our presentation. We hope that our innovation idea can be developed in the future. Thank you.